How to do disk partition on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily part Windows or disks on your Windows. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing you're going to search here on your search bar is disk management, and then simply hit enter. Now this disk management will pop up on your screen. So what you want to do here is, as you can see, this is my normal C drive and this is my extra D drive. So I'm just going to extract some storage from this drive. What you're going to do is right click on it and then click on shrink volume. And once you do that, here you'll have to enter the amount of space in MB. For example, if I just want to allocate 5 extra GB, it will be 5000 MBs, and then click on shrink. And as you can see, an unallocated memory has been created on our disk. So what you're going to do is right click on it, click on new simple volume, keep tapping on next, make sure that it's on NTFS, click on next, and click on finish. And now, as you can see, a new drive has been created on your PC. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.